Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. It's been a while since I've made a video. I've been super busy with work, a lot of tunes. Had a few cam packages, a few Haltech installs. What to talk about, what to update on. So we didn't actually carry on from the Pro car. I've actually done 2 events in it. I'll throw in some clips here just so it's nice and early so I don't forget. You guys can enjoy that.
Yeah, that was a lap though. Yeah.
Inside the car it sounds awesome, outside's a bit how you're going, but anyway, yeah, I'll chuck them in here. And I think for the turbo car as well, I might have a couple clips of that if I remember in editing. I'll throw them in, enjoy them. Yeah, so as you saw, car's a weapon, handles mint. The last video we had it on the dyno where it made 527 or whatever it was in 5th gear. Well, this camera's doing some weird crap. Don't know if it's just me or it looks like there's like a black band. Anyway, made 527 in 5th gear because my rollers are cooked. Didn't bother turning it up, it's just 18 pound. But just another quick look for you guys. So yeah, this camera's doing some weird crap. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, nope. Still doing it, I don't know what it is. Oh well, sorry, it's gonna be a weird looking video. But yeah, so made 527. Here's a good look at it. For those of you remember, there's EcoJet. Sad and sorry. There's a new T400 for it. 1800 horsepower box built for it, ready. Yeah, actually I think I know what this is. Alright, I think that might be better. Nope, my face on my camera looks like it's all black. Oh well. Yeah, so had a couple issues with this. So the first time I used it, I had 2 belts ripple themselves and I have no idea why. They rippled themselves on the outer edge, and then because of that it was, yeah, it threw a belt the second time that happened, and The first time was power steering issues. Also with that, I had power steering issues where I ended up finding out it was just slipping on the pulley, on this pulley here, because my tensioner that I did use seemed to be pretty crappy, which sucks, but not much you can do about that. So I've now changed the tensioner for the second event, and that works mint. Then come time of the second event, hopefully I didn't throw the videos in from that, but I'll throw a video in now. But I did one practice session and then came back in the pits, and it's time for the second practice session. Went started the car and I had no voltage, no alternator charge, and my resistor had broken itself. I run a 470 ohm resistor so that it excites the alternator and charges. That had broken, so I had to basically just pack my crap on the trailer, insert picture here hopefully, and yeah, went home. Got home, fixed it, and it's just sat here. Well, it sat in the garage. I've just moved it into here. Ever since, yeah, I'm waiting for another event, which there isn't any yet. But yeah, that's enough of this car. Let's head back into the garage. While I'm walking there, what's been happening in the backyard? 2 weapons are there. But yeah, a lot of stuff's happening. A lot of stuff's been busy. Also, my time, probably not since the last video, but all this time, done a baby shower, have a kid due mid-Feb. So I'll throw in here a video of the gender reveal burnout I did in the VE. So enjoy that. Alright, so yeah, having a boy, due in 2 months now, basically, because what, yeah, it's December, so yeah, two months and a bit. So while I've got this here, that block, all this stuff here, this car here, the new, well, old comp car, wasn't anything special, but it is going L67, have a top stop off this there. Yeah, this went rods out first event, which sucks. 280,000 K motor. I slapped it in, was revving a bit too hard, too far for stock rod bolts and everything. I haven't pulled it out yet. I'm probably going to do that tomorrow to find out. I'm going to use the cam. It is a big NA cam, so it will bleed some boost, but I'm going to use that, the valve springs. Yeah, I was hoping these heads are going to be okay, but they don't really matter anymore just because I had them skimmed. So probably going to get the L67 head skimmed as well, bump up the comp a bit. I'm going to get this intake here grafted onto the top of the L67 charger, so I'm still going to have that. So that's going to be cool. I don't know how much it's going to whine, but that's what's happening with that car. Yeah, so I've got to assemble that together, clean it up. I might clean this bay up a little bit, at least give it a pressure wash, redo some power wires because that's the trackside fix. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this. I need to get a new harness because that harness is now the passenger one in the Pro Drift car. But yeah, apart from that, I've just been super busy with work. A lot of customer crap. This new valve spring tool from 3800 Garage is a weapon though. Made a small video on that. It's one of the shorts on this channel. Should have put it out by now, don't know yet. But yeah, what I want to know from you guys is what mods do you want to see with the L67? So I don't know whether I should do that intake straight away, or I should do a normal intake and do some mods and then go from there, or should I just do it from the get-go? Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I haven't really made many videos. I've just been busy with work, and I was an idiot. Instead of building one car, I built two cars, because technically this went to NA, gearbox conversion, tuned it, ready for just for one event, just so I could drive that event with my mates while the Pro Drift car wasn't ready. So instead of building one car, I got two cars done. I don't know. That's why there's been no videos, and this video is obviously pretty boring, but I've been busy. And maybe I need some input from you guys. What do you guys want to see? What mods do you want tried or want done? Or do you want some more driving mods, some dyno videos, some... I don't know. There's no drag racing because they're redoing the drag strip here in WA, which sucks. So I was going to take the Pro car. I might build a burnout car, not 100% yet. That'd be pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know. This is just a bit of an update video with some clips thrown in about what I've been doing. But yeah, so let me know. And like always, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and hopefully there'll be something more interesting for you guys to watch. Because right now this is pretty lame. Alright, catch you guys later.